Good, good. Yeah. Streets, sidewalks, and parks. That's the core venue for the First Amendment. It always has been. And I'm hoping that will continue, because I think it'll need to continue for a while before we see any, significant shifts.
Yeah.
Well, at some point, let's talk offline about legislation and things of, other fun legal stuff. But thank you for taking some time out of your Tuesday to talk with me about this. I got a lot of stuff to learn. I got a lot of stuff to read and a lot of stuff to think about. But it's been an honor to hear it from you and to learn a little bit more. And it's my hope that other people will watch this and think twice before jumping to conclusions or tuning people out, because it's something they haven't heard before.
Yeah, I appreciate you, Josh, for doing this. I mean, it takes a lot of guts to do this, because some people are just afraid of how people are going to react. I'm going to reach out to my fellow African-American friend, and what they're going to say. But I think the more people did that, you had the guts to reach out to me and say, hey, let's do this. I'm like, yeah, let's do this, because having, we're more alike than we are different. We're attorneys, we have our families. I mean, we're more alike than we are different. Maybe we have different skin tone, but deep down, we're the same, brothers, So I think if more people do this, Josh, like what you're doing today, I commend you for doing this and keep up the good work.
Thank you. Thank you, Benjamin. I appreciate it. All right. God bless you guys. We'll see you.
Okay, good. Thank you. God bless.
Bye.
No, not that exactly. I haven't entirely made up my mind what I want to do with it. My frustration has been, obviously, the world being on fire right now. Up here in Cave Creek, that means and everything else. It's not just down in the city. But a lot of my friends and family are doing the Blackout Tuesday with their social media profiles, which is something. I've got other friends who are pushing back on the phrase white privilege because I don't think they understand it. And I just got to, it just made me sort of sad, really, because I'm recognizing that even though, you and I have known each other for several years now and have done business together, you sent me employment clients, and although I've worked on this issue obliquely, it's always been way after the fact, right? It's always been in the sense of trying to help somebody who's already been victimized by either a company or the system or something. And the front end of everything that happens is still shrouded in a degree of mystery for me, because I'm a middle-aged white guy and I'm not going to see the same stuff. And so I wanted to invite you first, and I was realizing as I thought through, I've got other friends and clients and even some fellow law students from back when I was in law school that I could talk to. But you were the first person I thought of, and I wanted to ask you, I sent them to you ahead of time, I wanted to ask you some of those questions that frankly will educate me. And when I talk to my white friends and family who are struggling with how to grapple with these issues, and not just make it up out of my own head, but hear from somebody that I know and trust and I believe would have some good insight for me to share.
I appreciate that. So this insight, I'm speaking for my experiences and things that I heard, but sure, I guess the one thing I want to let people know is that within the African American race, there's different perspectives on everything, different religions.